Good day, class. Welcome to Plain Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at another topic, factors of a number in mathematics. A factor is an whole number that can divide another whole number without any remainder. That is just a simple definition of a factor. For example, let's look at this. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 is a factor of 6 because 2 can divide 6 to give 3 without any remainder. That is just the meaning of a factor. Now, what are factors of a number? Factors of a number are numbers that can divide such a number without any remainder. Now, let's look at 6, for example. What are the factors of 6? That is, what are the numbers that can divide 6? Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself. Why? 1 can divide 6 without any remainder. 2 can divide 6 to give 3 without any remainder. 3 can divide 6 to give 2 without any remainder. And 6 can divide 6 to give 1 without any remainder. So 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. Now let's look at how do we find factors of a number in mathematics. How to find factors of a number in mathematics. It is very essential as a mathematician to understand the easiest way for you to find factors of a number. Let's look at an example. Let's say you have a question that says, find all the factors of the following numbers and identify the even and odd numbers in the factors. 1, 60, 2, 92, right? Now, the question is asking us to do 3 things. 1, find all the factors of 60 and 92. Then look or identify those numbers that are even numbers from the factors and those numbers that are odd numbers from the factors. Let's see how we can solve the question. Let's start with 60. You start by saying 60 is 1 times 60. 60 is 2 times 30. First, we pick 1, we use it to divide it, to multiply it. We pick 2. 2, we use it to divide 60. We get 30. So 2 times 30 is still 60. 60 is 3 times 20. If you use 3 to divide 60, you get 20. 60 is 4 times 15. If you use 4 to divide 60, you get 15. 60 is 5 times 12. If you use 5 to divide 60, you get 12. 60 is 6 times 10. 7 cannot divide 60. 8 cannot divide 60. 9 cannot divide 60. 10 can divide it, we already have it. 12 can divide, we already have it. 15 can divide, we already have it. So this is how you stop. Now, how do you write it? You write it like this. Like this. Now say, therefore, factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have completed this. Then we move to this place. 10. Write it up. 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. All these are factors of 60. So now, the question now says we should identify the even numbers in these factors. So in our first video, when we discussed about basic numbers in mathematics, we have discussed about even what the meaning of even numbers and odd numbers. For more information, you can go and watch the video again. But basically, even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2. So even numbers are, we have 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 20, 30, and 60. All these are even numbers we have in these factors. So odd numbers there are 1, 3, 5, 15. Those are the odd numbers we have in these factors. So this is how to find factors of a number in a very simple way. Now let's look at the second one, 92. We want to look at all the factors of 92. Factors of 92. Let's go. 92 is 1 times 92, right? 92 is 2 times 2 here, 4. 2 in 12, we have 1 left here. 2 in 12, 6. Alright? Can 3 divide it? No, 3 cannot divide it. Let's look at 4. 92 equals 4 times 4 in 9, 2. 4 in 12, 3. Alright? 5 cannot divide it. 6 cannot divide it. 7 cannot divide it. 8 cannot divide it. 9 cannot divide it. 10 cannot divide it. Then we stop it like this. So we write all the factors out like this. Right? Like this. So let's write it out. So factors of 92 are 1, 2, 4, 23, 46, and 92 itself. All these are factors of 92. The question also asked us to identify the even numbers. Like I said, even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2. Numbers are 2, 4, 46, and 92. All these are the even numbers we have in these factors. Let's look at the odd numbers there. Like I said, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2. 1 and what? 23. Follow these steps and you will not have any issue finding factors of a number in mathematics. Thank you for watching and listening. Do help us to share this video and other videos on our channel. We would love to have feedback from you and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.